goods.
Yes, or like anybody living
Or
there.
supplies.
I couldn't see anyone living there. No one. They didn't have anything going on.
I mean, what are you
I like
gonna
the
do?
railroad.
Move
Have you
with
seen the
nothing
train
here?
yet?
No,
Because seeing a train crossing here would be kind of cool.
that would be kind of cool.
Yeah, it would be kind of cool. Actually, taking a train through here would be
They
nice.
have like little railroad like blocker things like cut off the roads here for some reason. Even though there's no like railways,
Yeah.
they could just like isolate the town.
Yes, they could.
Actually, okay, hold on. Now I'm thinking like the whole like, oh, this town was made for a movie idea doesn't sound too far out of the.
Yeah, it really does.
Yeah, especially if they have like ways to block off the town, like only the town, like just completely isolate the town from everywhere else.
Yes.
Like prevent cars from going through. Like, uh-oh.
Chug water. Thank you, Basin. Well, it says thank you, Basin Road. Well, it says TY Basin Road, but I'm assuming that means thank you.
I don't know.
Thank you, Basin Road. Okay, we're about to jump back on the interstate I-25 north.
We have no data.
Caiusburg.
Is that the road we're supposed to be on?
Mm-hmm. Sure is. I-25. And here's where Chugwater ends.
No more chug water. There's Chugville, but no chug water anymore.
Oh, yeah. And Chugwater's this way. It says. Oh, that looks like a teapot right there. Don't you reckon? Let me take a picture.
I don't know how that looks like a teapot to you.
It does. It looks like a little teapot or an elephant. Same thing.
What?
Or the Sphinx.
What?
Mm-hmm. The Sphinx. These are to keep the cattle off the interstate. From this side, it looks like a castle in the sky. No, I'm just joking.
Okay.
I know a castle in the sky.
Our streams, or our video's still down. The stream's up, the video's down.
Noise. I also like that flat plateau ahead of us. Like it's flat. And then, I don't know, it's interesting.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Like a massive amount of water flooded the area and left the top.
It said basin, so that's probably what happened.
Yes.
We won't get our video back. Why? Sun's in my eyes. Can't see.
That's okay.
Okay. Now let's see if I can get it working. Come on off there, mount. I'll restart the app.
I was glad to cut through that Tayo. Cut through that side road and into that Tayo. I really do reckon that was probably like a movie town. Movie set. Because it was weirdly empty at this hour. I mean, it's not that late.
I reckon I know why my phone isn't working, or why the video is not working. Because for some reason it was at 0% steady.
Oh.
Like it was saying 0% on my phone, it just went back up to one.
How weird. Normalizing that expression again.
So right now people can hear us, but they just can't see anything. could also just be too bad to really allow us to broadcast video. So the video's probably going to stay down for a little bit. We'll try again.
Something is odd about that. I really think that it would draw more power from the generator, from the inverter. But maybe the video is just, while it's going, even while it's charging, it's difficult to maintain power. I kind of wish we stopped at that little valley, that little thing, and then also that little ghost town.
Yeah.
Is that saying rest area 1 mile? I can't see it because my sunglasses. Parking area 1 mile. My sunglasses make it so I can't see as well, but they block the sun, which is nice.
The median age is 70 in Chugwater.
Oh, nice.
So they close early.
Oh, I see.
Even their library is only open a few hours on select weekdays.
So that's the median age. So there's people like 90 and people like 50.
It's a dying town. But the soda fountain and Stampede Saloon operate primarily during daytime hours and may close early for the evening. It's a rural aging community with median age nearing 70, which contributes to a slower pace and early closures.
Those ones are pretty.
They have 58 businesses served in the area. Lacks nightlife or late evening activity found in larger towns. It has a rich history. It was once a hub for the Swan Land and Cattle Company, one of the largest ranching operations in the U.S. during the
Dude, my
late
phone
19th
died
century.
immediately as soon
Today,
as
the
I
town embraces
unplugged it.
its heritage with the motto, "A little town with a big heart."
Oh. Well, that's sweet. That they are such a little town, but they have such a big heart.
Alright, yeah, we're not going to be able to get the video back for a while. There's a treehouse down there.
Wheatland. Casper is 122 miles. That's 2 hours. Does it seem? I mean, it seems blue. And we can see for so many miles that seems. The way the sun is hitting those hills over there is so pretty. Okay, now here's the sitch. Casper's 2 hours away at 120 miles. And so we won't make it before
How is
dark.
it still 2 hours?
So we won't make it before dark. Yeah,
How's-
that's what I was thinking too.
It said that like
arrival time, 1 hour and 42 minutes, which is,
that's still like I don't think the time is working properly.
But I'm just reckoning that we won't make it before dark. Before sunset, as they used to say in the Old West.
Or so
I'm thankful
insane.
that we were able to see the countryside of Wyoming. I do like that. But, yes. This is my design. I'm just joking. This is what I'm wondering about.
My phone's not even charging. I don't think we're gonna be getting video back for a while.
Oh, I'm going too fast. These
get there before sunset. How'd you say it?
Yes, I don't reckon we'll make it before sunset.
Oh, look at that. That's weird formation. It looks like a pyramid.
Yeah, it's the pyramids of
Giza.
North.
Trust me, it's the pyramids of Giza. We took a wrong turn.
Ancient aliens suggest that ancient astronaut theorists believe that it was made by the aliens. Laramie is a major town.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I mean, it's small, but for Wyoming, it's a major.
Usually we get to that town before sunset.
I don't know if we get there before. It has the turnout to Laramie isn't a mile, but that's not Laramie. What time does the sun set around these parts?
I don't know. Charging.
I believe Casper is due north of here. Like 925 goes through Casper, does it not?
I think so. Last time I checked, I remember it said that. At this point, I don't even know.
My phone's not doing its thing. Where is it plugged into?
In there again.
Oh. Yeah, I really reckon you're gonna get better charging out of that thing in the back there. We plan to make this. Oh, the speed limit's 80 on this side.
Did they remove the tornado risk? I saw that there was a new SBC update out.
No, it looks like the storm's over yonder to the west.
Yeah, you're just seeing the sun rays through the clouds.
Could be. Yeah, could be. Could very well be. Could very well be.
They get rid of the 2% tornado risk. Oh, apparently it's still there, but I can't really see where.
Yeah, I'm not reckoning that we're gonna see any.
Oh, no, and the 2% tornado risk is still there. I mean, this Royals has confidence in minor tornado possibility. Wait a moment. Why is this picking up in tornado potential down here?
Oh no, I was going too fast and now they
No, the Popo!
Well, he was a nice officer.
Okay.
He had the Wyoming accent.
He did have that accent. We got pulled over, gang. For going a little too... I'm working on getting the video back up, so... My phone died, so that's why the video's down right now. What? Oh, never mind, it's too far. I'm not going to be able to reach it. It's going to move the suction cup farther up.
Do you think that it would get more cool air then?
I think it was just the dashboard wouldn't be in the way. You'd see more road. Let's try and get the stream up, or the video streams up.
Okay, it's saying the next services are 17 miles after this. So we probably won't have an exit for 17 miles after this. Does anybody need the restroom?
Nope.
Anything?
No.
Here we go. Come on, Wheatland. That looks like more than just the sea over there.
That's not really much of anything over there. And it's down.
Approaching Glendo.
Glendo?
And Douglas is beyond that. Douglas, Miami.
Then we... Okay, so... What I want us to do then is... We should... There'll be a road that we can take to go east and then eventually north to get up to that storm.
Has it gone east of us?
Yeah, it's moving. No, it's still north, but it's...
Northeast, yeah.
We need to at least try and keep ahead of it.
Yeah.
Plan for where it's going to be. So, there's a road out of Orin that you then can take east. O-R-I-N. See what the other stalls back here look like. So if they look better, then we might just ditch that one and just stick with these up here. gonna stick with that one. And then whenever you take the road east out of Orin, you'll go north out of Lusk.
Out of Orin?
Yeah, east out of Orin, and then north out of Lusk.
We should probably map that. Is there an area that can you pinpoint an area that we can head toward?
Just stay on this road.
This is Interstate 25.
Yeah, and then you'll pass McKinley eventually, and then Orin after that. The video's down again.
Do you believe that's a supercell directly ahead of us?
No, that looks pretty bad actually. Like it looks like it's downdraft. It looks like a supercell in like the last 5 minutes of its life. If even that. I don't even know what that is. It's just a bunch of cold sinking air, I think. We lost the video again. Look, there's shear. You can see the shear. There's shear here. These upper level clouds as the like area where it bunches up, like these whipped clouds here.
Yes.
Area where it bunches up is closer to the surface and interacting with those more mid-level winds, and then as it rises, it gets higher up. Those stronger upper level winds push it off to the side. There's visible shear here.
Yes. And you can see it on the video.
Yeah, you can. I don't know if it'll probably be a bit crushed on YouTube, but you know, it's okay.
Rest area, 1 month, or does that say 2 months? 2 miles. Rest area, 2 miles. Next rest area, 35 miles. Free Wi-Fi. We can go
Free
get some
Wi-Fi. Get free Wi-Fi anywhere you go.
We can collect some Wi-Fi for the road, for the journey.
Yeah, we'll collect some. We'll put it in a bag, and we'll take it with us.
I can put some Wi-Fi in there.
Got sunshine in a bag. Or however the song goes.
My future is going on. It's going on. I got something
In a bag. There's got to be a core that isn't in use here somewhere.
You took it from my phone earlier and used it for your camera, I thought.
Yeah, no. Now I need that for my camera.
That's what you used it for.
This? Or what? No,
Yeah.
there's a different There's a different charger over here. Oh, this one, I think.
Yeah, you took the what it used it for.
Here's one. I don't know what this is plugged into.
Nothing.
Uh-oh. Okay. This
Rest
will go
area?
into the camera.
I mean, I just go and get to that.
No resting for any areas.
Post 25. All traffic must exit when flashing.
Good thing it's not flashing.
I think that's because we're going into mountains. And so the driving snow.
Look at that view.
show our
lovely.
elevation.
Seems lapse rates are pretty decent too. No, that's later in the afternoon, especially if there's like visible like upper level clouds. Like that would be more conducive with colder temperatures in the higher levels of the atmosphere. So, I mean, it's after McKinley.
See the landscape changes in the distance.
Actually, now the storm looks kind of bad on radar. Let me see what it looks like on satellite.
It's gonna be a 9 to 10 hour drive back to unless we make some headway back.
Yes.
But we've both been driving a lot, and I'm not a good night driver.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And he can't drive at night legally, so and I'm not getting a chance to do
Yeah, no, that's fine. So this road that he's talking about going down heads back easterly again.
Is what?
It's heading back east.
Actually, I'm considering not even taking that road because, oh no, these don't really look that good. Because now that we're getting closer, I'm seeing that and getting a little worried that might be the remnants of the storm that we were trying to get to.
Are these
You see this right here on the radar? I think this might be that.
Yes.
So, and that's not good. That means it's basically over.
It does look as though that did just.
We're actually like north of Denver. I didn't realize how far.
Well, yeah, Wyoming
we could
is.
have turned around and gone to Denver from where we actually would be in Denver about sooner than we'd be in Casper, which is shocking to me. I'm not used to this. I'm used to being out of it. I get too.
Oh my gosh.
Claustrophobic. I could not be a stormchaser. It's not in my blood.
I'm checking it on satellite to see. The video's up. Surprisingly. Thought it'd be down by now.
Well, let's consider what should we do?
Oh,
If the storm has
well,
dissipated.
the other storms that, I don't know. Let's continue towards Casper just for now. I'll continue to look into it.
Then turn right
I'm
immediately.
looking at something. Okay. I was checking to see what it's saying as far as like.
Okay. there's like all these tiny like velocity couplets up here that, you know, it's not in the best spot. I'm trying to see.
I'm not sure if stormchaser is going across 3 states.
It happens all the time.
Listen to it. Imagine.
Oh, but I will need to get gas.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get gas before we can make it to where we're going.
Yes. As soon as
And there's very few places in between that do gas.
Yeah.
You can't, like, when you see one, just put us in.
Yes, yes.
Because the next one will be too long.
I think that really might be it, what we're looking at, that thingy. Seems a bit, I don't know though.
It did seem to fizzle as we were approaching.
Yeah.
I'm thinking with that in mind, we should probably turn.
We should probably turn around. The other cells aren't that good. They are kind of bad. They don't look good.
And then there was a town down south on I-25 that I could go to. No services ahead. Doesn't look like they were. Are there services ahead of this way? Can't see. No services ahead. Down in Wheatland there was a gas station.
Yeah, everything's all dead over here. I mean, there's towering updrafts that way that look immature.
I've got it here if you might be a different way to get
We'll unmute us. People can hear us now.
The Boyd is the Boyd. Oh, there's the Sinclair. There's another Boyd.
It gets real bad through here after nightfall. No, I didn't want to do that.
After sunset.
It gets real bad through here after sunset.
And not a mile too soon. They said that the Sinclair's open for 4 more hours. North Platte River. That's pretty.